What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Mindful Mastery, and today I'm going to be introducing the College Survival Guide series. I have now completed 3 years of college and will be graduating very soon. Through that time, I have discovered a bunch of the difficulties and challenges that one might encounter whenever they go through college. So I decided to develop the College Survival Guide in order to help you succeed while you are in college. Today, I'm just going to be going over the College Survival Guide and the topics that I'm going to be talking about within the series. And in the description below, I'll have the topics listed out, and under each topic, there will be a group of videos that I have planned for each of those topics. Please take a look at that and then tell me if I left anything out that I should include that you are struggling with at college or worried about in the future. And tell me if there's anything that's in there that is relatively pointless and I should probably take out. But by now I should have the topics over to my left. And with all of the topics, I will have at least 4 videos with all of them, aside from the career, which will just have 2, and passion, which will just have the 1, which will be about finding your passion, your purpose, maybe just trying to figure out what your major is going to be in college. I'll be going over this in order to help you establish your motivation for doing well in college, because if you don't have much motivation to do well in college, then there won't be much of a reason for you to watch the other topics and try to improve in those areas. And you don't necessarily even need a passion or a purpose to be motivated in college, which is another thing that I'll be going over in that video. Next, we have the life category, which will be about topics that will help you after you graduate as well as whenever you are in college. And I wanted to include this after passion because of 2 videos: how to improve your confidence and how to manage depression and anxiety. Because by improving in these 2 areas, it'll be so much easier to improve in the other areas as well. Then after that, we have the studying category. This won't only be about improving your studying skills, it will also be about how to take tests, do presentations, as well as homework. And then after that, we have the social category. And as many of us know, college is a pretty social place, but a lot of us are going to be in completely new and unfamiliar environments. So it's important that we know how to navigate the different social situations in order to feel as comfortable as possible while we're there. And then after that, we'll have the financial category, which is probably the most boring category, but it is the most important whenever you're progressing to the adult world, which makes this category another one that will be beneficial to you even after you graduate. And I know for me, I didn't learn anything about financial aid or how to manage debt whenever I was in high school, and I know that's probably the case for many of you that are entering college. Then after that, we have the career category, which obviously I wanted to include this at the end because you want to worry about college first before you worry about your career. And this will be mainly about how to build your resume as well as how to prepare for interviews. And that is all that I have planned for the College Survival Guide as of right now. I will release the first video this upcoming Sunday, and will do so every Sunday, continuing on until I finish the series. Please take a look at the videos below and tell me if there's anything that I should include. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a great day.